Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my beauty favorites. I have not done one of these in a really long time, so I rounded up all different beauty products and items that I've been currently loving. These are primarily going to be makeup and hair related items, but nonetheless they are great and I definitely wanted to share them with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see my current beauty favorites, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first beauty favorite is going to be an actual course that I am taking. So I believe I've mentioned in a few videos before that I am a bridal makeup artist. I've been doing it for 6 months and I absolutely love it. It took me just like, I don't know, 9 or 10 years to figure it out. But I eventually down the road wanted to get a makeup certification or become a certified makeup artist. So that's what I'm doing right now. I've been doing this course from the Online Makeup Academy. They're a New York City based school that offers online certification, but I've been doing this course for about a week and a half and I absolutely love it. And I can do it from the convenience of my own home at my own time frame. So every time or every day I have like a half hour or 20 minutes or even 10 minutes for that matter, I'm trying to complete each module. What's also great is that you could do it from your smartphone as well. You could do the whole course from your smartphone. You don't even need to do it from a computer. And this came in handy the other day because my husband went into Chipotle and you know how serious those lines can get. He was in there for 20 minutes. So I'm like, you know what? Let's go through a module. And I was able to complete a portion of one of the modules just sitting in the car. So you can do it wherever you are, even if you have your phone, which is great. Basically, they just go over everything. The course I'm taking is the master makeup class. There's a couple other different makeup courses for like special effects or other, different types of makeup categories. I'm doing the master makeup classes, which is kind of like their beginner one. They go over, what you're going to need as a makeup artist. They go over ethnicities, different skin types, different face shapes, different eye shapes. It gets overwhelming, you guys, but I'm learning a ton. They go over like, everything you're going to need. Sanitation is a big one. And then they also go over like how to sanitize properly, especially with COVID-19. They have a whole module for that as well that I just completed because as a makeup artist, you're dealing with the public, dealing with people. So, having all your products sanitary and everything like that and all the different protocols and practices being up to date on it is really important. And then also they have a live instructor. Every video actually is going to be a live instructor through video, which is nice. And you can ask questions or anything like that, and they get back to you right away. But right now where I am, I'm like 33% complete. So I just started getting into where the instructor is doing a desired makeup look on a model. I think I started off with natural. Now we're going to daytime, nighttime. I believe there's a bridal makeup look. There's a look for mature skin. So it's really cool because you get to see them actually do these makeup looks and they give you all their tips and tricks while they're doing it. So it's it's a pretty lengthy course. You can do it at your own speed. But again, for me, this is like really good. And what's also nice too is that at the end, when you actually get your certification, they offer a pro discount card to these 2 websites that sell a bunch of makeup and necessities that makeup artists would need. And they even have a discount on prestige makeup. High-end makeup, and I believe it's like 40%. The discount is up to 40% or 40%, which is huge, and it's much appreciated as a makeup artist. If any of you guys are, you know that we are constantly spending money to add products to our kit. I buy lashes like every week, let's be honest. I'm always buying, always, adding things to my kit, so they offer the pro discount, which is great, 40% off. So you get access to that at the end of your certification. They give you little quizzes, homework assignments, and a couple of them where you have to actually submit a certain kind of look, like say a natural look. You either do it on somebody and submit the pictures to the system, or if you don't have someone to practice on, you can do it on yourself. So that's what I've been doing the last week and a half. I really like it, so I wanted to mention it to you guys. I will have a coupon code for $100 off if you're interested. And then when you do sign up for the course, they also give you all the makeup and brushes and tools that you're going to need to complete the whole course, which is nice. So if you guys are interested in this, I will have it linked down below. Sticking to makeup, I have like 3 other items before we go into a lot of like hair care or hair products or hair items. So I've never, and you guys are gonna think this is crazy, but I've never purchased anything from Charlotte Tilbury. I hear many good things about it. It's just there's so much makeup out there, you guys. There's so many brands, so many products. It's so overwhelming. And for anybody to just buy everything, you're just spending a fortune. I always like joke and tell my husband, like, I could spend $1,000 in Sephora in like less than 2 minutes. Like, it's that easy. So anyways, I just picked up, and it's actually like I think it's like a travel size or their mini kit, but many of you have probably already heard of this lipstick or lip combo. It's Pillow Talk, the lipstick, and then this is the lip liner, excuse me, in Pillow Talk. Pillow Talk is like a lighter nude. It's a little bit lighter than MAC Faux, I would say, but that's what it looks like. And what I like about the liner is it's like almost like a gel liner. It's not really like my MAC liners. This is more like gel-like, so it just glides on your lips. But look how beautiful that is. I have the liner on today. I don't have the lipstick on today, just the liner. But I've really been liking this lip combo. I do plan on trying out some of their powders as well, the Charlotte Tilbury powders. So I wanted to mention that. And this kit wasn't bad. It was like $25 because I think their full-size lipsticks are like $25 or $30 or something. So I got this. And then next is a lip gloss. I don't know if I've mentioned this. Maybe once I've mentioned this before, but this is the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss, and it is in the shade Sparkling Rosé. And this lip gloss is like $6, you guys, and I'm not going to shell out 20-something on MAC lip glosses or like other high-end lip glosses anymore. I mean, I may down the road, but there's no need for it because this is so good. And if you like kind of a little tingle, not as much as the Buxom lip glosses, this has it. It's like a little cooling effect. But this gloss is so great. Everybody I tell about it goes out and purchases it. It's so good. Look how glossy it is. It's great. It's like $6, so I really like this. I wanted to share it with you guys. I have a couple of these. I have one in my purse. I actually have one in my kit for you know, doing makeup on other people, and then I have one up here, super affordable. So yeah, I'm like not about shelling out like $20 to $30 on lip glosses at the moment. And then before we get into the hair products, I did want to mention my current favorite nails. Many of you know I wear press-on or glue-on nails. I love them. I think Kiss maybe just came out with this color, and I always get upset because whenever I go to the nail section at Walmart or Target, all the nice like different colors, different styles, different prints of nails are always super long, and I don't like that. Like, why can't they come out with cute ones or cute colors that are shorter? Well, they did. I love this color. I think it's perfect for the fall. I have them on today. These have been on for almost 2 weeks, you guys, so probably in the next couple days I'm gonna put a new set on. I got these at Walmart. They are the Kiss Salon color, and these are the short, and it is the color, if it says it right here, hold on you guys. Sometimes they have a color name. This one doesn't. Typically they do, but it's kind of just like a berry color. It's like a burgundy berry kind of plummy color, and it's like perfect for fall. So I did want to mention that. I have been loving these nails. Okay, so I lied. I have one more item to share with you, and then we'll get into all the hair related items. So this is my latest pillow. It's from Your Face Pillow, and this is their beauty pillow. It's geared towards beauty. So I know I've mentioned in the past, I think I've mentioned in the past, but a few months ago I converted over to a satin pillowcase because I would just wake up every morning and I'd have lines on my face, and they'd stay like half the day. And over time, when we keep pressing the wrinkles from the fabric of your pillowcase into your skin, those create wrinkles. So I've noticed a difference switching over to the satin pillowcase, but this pillow just takes it a step further. It has beauty benefits, but it also gives you support as well. It gives my neck really great support with the contour right here. It gives you side support. So I like to sleep, like I start off on my back and then I go left and right and toss and turn. It's kind of weird. I'm all over the place, but it's really comfortable. It conforms to your head and to your neck. So like my face would be kind of up against this, but it conforms to it. This is going to give you the maximum benefits when you're sleeping. You're not going to get wrinkles on your face. It's designed for beauty, but also comfort as well. It gives neck and shoulder support. It prevents wrinkles. It prevents skin irritation and facial pressure, all while you're sleeping. Again, it is really comfortable. It's kind of like the memory foam, so it conforms to your head and your neck. It's really soft. I really like it. So I will link this down below if you guys are interested. Okay, so next I have a curling one, and this is from the brand New Me, and I have some of their products as well I'm going to share. But this is the curling one that I've currently been using and loving. This is how I achieved my curls today. When it comes to curling my hair, I'm a wand girl. I just prefer curling wands. And I kind of like the ceramic ones better than the titanium ones. That's just my preference. They have a ton on their website. So this one right here is their like ceramic one, and it is 32 millimeters, I believe. They have 25 as well, but this is the 32, and this is what I use to curl my hair every day, and it just gives me perfect curls that last all day long. Also from Numi, I have their argan oil. This is great because I like to put this on my ends at night, kind of run it through my hair. This really helps to kind of keep my ends, you know, moisturized and prevent breakage, split ends. Argan oil is great. It's even great for your skin as well, not just your hair. And then this right here is my favorite by them. I love this. I try to be very, very good about putting thermal or heat protectants on my hair at all times, whether I'm blow drying wet hair or if my hair is dry. I still like to put a heat protectant on if I'm flat ironing or even using this curling wand. This is the Numi Watch Me Work Thermal Heat Protectant. You guys, this stuff is great. Not only that, it smells amazing. The smell just keeps growing on me. It smells so nice. I don't know how to describe it, but I love this. I love this. This is a really good thermal protector, and it also helps to alleviate frizz as well. So these are just some of the products I've been loving, but this curling wand is really nice. I would definitely check out Numi. I have a coupon code if you guys are interested. I will link it down below. And then next is this product right here. This is super expensive, you guys, but it's well worth it. It is called K18. I don't know if any of you have heard of it. I only heard of it like a month ago, and it says it's biomimetic hair science. This is their leave-in molecular repair hair mask. So when I get out of the shower, and the first like 6 times you use this, they say don't use conditioner, just use shampoo, and then put this in your hair and leave it in there once you get out of the shower. So that's what I do. I just run this through my ends. I mean, do you guys see, like, we've got a lot of breakage because I do more to my hair in the front, so that's what I'm trying to repair. Recently, I've had some new little breakage. I don't know if you guys can see. Breakage everywhere. So that's what this is for. This is great for that. It's kind of really pricey, but it works, you guys. So I've definitely noticed a difference. I haven't had as much breakage at all. This was actually a lot shorter. It was like to there, you guys. So I've had that much growth. It hasn't broken off. Between dyeing hair and then, you know, heat, I'm just never going to win. So this is going to help me regrow all my bangs and, you know, my shorter pieces in the front. I would definitely check this out. Read the reviews on this, especially like on Sephora or wherever you see reviews. I'm telling you, this stuff is really good. So this is the K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. I've been loving this. And then last but not least is my favorite hairspray. I'm kind of done with the Tresemme Trace 4. It's been my go-to hairspray for well over a decade, but I'm over it, you guys, because after I use it, my hair it just feels like crispy, and I always feel like I have to take a shower the next day. I can't go like 3 or 4 days because it just feels crispy. I do like to hairspray kind of my bang area, and I just got sick of it, you guys. So I wanted to find a hairspray that wasn't going to give me that feeling like I felt like I needed to wash my hair right away. Well, I found this one. This is by Guy Tane. He's like a celebrity hairstylist. And this is his hashtag My Control Medium Hold Sculpting Spray. Not only is this great, but it smells amazing, you guys. Like, amazing. I don't know, I'm sure you can get this anywhere, but my sister is a hairdresser, so I just got this at Cosmoprof. That's what it looks like. They also, or Guy Tane also has a thermal heat protectant spray as well. This smells amazing. The smell is really nice. This gives a really nice hold, but it's not going to weigh your hair down and get like crispy feeling. I just kind of got sick of that with the Trace 4, and it just took me a really long time to say, let's switch hairsprays. So this one I've actually really been loving. So last but not least is this Malibu Hard Water Wellness Shampoo. If you do not have a water softener, you know that the hard water can be very harsh on your hair. I think ours, it's not like terrible. We don't have a water softener, but it's not as harsh as like other people's is. But besides the point, this is going to be your best friend. This stuff is great. So if you have, like, you don't have a water softener, you have hard water, try this out. I would definitely recommend this. They have a conditioner as well, but the shampoo is really nice. I've really been liking this. And if you're wondering about the smell, because I always have to smell things, you guys, it smells really nice. It smells really clean. I've really been liking this. It's all vegan. It is sulfate free as well, which I'm trying to do. So yeah, 100% vegan, but I've really been liking this. I've never heard of a shampoo that is geared toward helping you out with like the effects of hard water. So I did want to mention this. I don't know where else they sell this because I obviously didn't search. I got this at Cosmoprof with my sister when I went with her, but they sell it all over. But I did want to mention this, especially again, if you don't have a water softener, because that does cost a lot of money to get installed into your house. Definitely check out this shampoo. So that is it for my current beauty favorites. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried out any of these items. If you're thinking of trying out any of these items, what are your current beauty favorites? I'd be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.